Does your morning feel heavy and slow, like your body just won't catch up with the day? If you're over 50, you might blame your age for that drained feeling. But what if it's not about years, but about a missing morning signal? Today, I'll show you a gentle 2-ingredient ritual that can help turn that around. And you might notice a change in as little as 2 days. This works because it focuses on 3 areas where we naturally lose ground: deep hydration, key minerals, and that morning metabolic spark. Stay with me, because the way you prepare the second ingredient is where most people miss the mark. Please consider subscribing to Healthy Lifestyle. Your support lets us create more content like this. The real cause of morning fatigue. That morning exhaustion isn't laziness. It's a message. Overnight, your body works hard, and it can lose vital electrolytes and minerals more quickly than when you were younger. This quiet loss, especially of magnesium, is a big piece of the puzzle. Magnesium helps your muscles relax, your nerves function, and it's crucial for creating energy. Many are unknowingly running low. And without the right morning cue, your metabolism can stay in a sleepy low gear for hours. But 2 simple seeds working together can send that powerful wake-up call. The science of the 2 seeds. This combination has 2 very clear roles. First, chia seeds. Think of them as a hydration reservoir. They hold on to water, helping to moisten your system at a cellular level. This supports steadier digestion, balanced blood sugar, and clearer signaling from your gut to your brain. When your gut is happy, your whole body listens. The second seed is pumpkin seeds. These are a natural magnesium treasure. This mineral aids muscle function, improves oxygen circulation, and can help reduce that stiff, creaky feeling when you first get up. Chia for moisture, pumpkin for minerals. Together, they set the stage for a 48-hour refresh. The exact, simple method. Here's the exact, simple method. Step 1. The evening preparation. Take 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. Place them in a cup with half a cup of warm water. Let this sit for 5 minutes. You'll see the chia expand and the pumpkin seeds soften. This is activation. Step 2. The morning trigger. To this mixture, add your choice of a gentle activator. A few drops of fresh lemon juice or half a teaspoon of raw honey. Lemon sparks your digestive enzymes. Honey offers a mild, natural energy lift. Both tell your body the same thing. The day is beginning. Step 3. The mindful sip. Drink it slowly. Don't rush. This deliberate pace allows your gut to send a clear, calm signal to your brain that fuel is arriving. It's not about caffeine or complex supplements. It's about natural activation. Expected benefits and common errors. People often report lighter mornings, easier movement getting out of bed, more consistent energy before lunch, sharper focus, and fewer mid-morning cravings. Why? Because you're addressing hydration, magnesium, fiber, and enzymes in one simple step. Now, the 3 common errors that block results. Mistake 1. Using cold water. Cold can shock and slow your system. Warm water encourages a smoother, faster start. Mistake 2. Using too much. More is not better. 1 teaspoon each is the perfect amount to avoid feeling heavy or bloated. Mistake 3. Timing it wrong. If you drink this after breakfast, the signal gets drowned out. Always take it first thing, on an empty stomach. For an extra boost, sip a little plain warm water about 5 minutes beforehand to prepare your stomach. Conclusion. Take action today. That heavy, tired morning isn't something you just have to accept. It's your body asking for a better beginning. This gentle, seed-based routine is that very answer, providing moisture, minerals, and a clean, steady fuel source. Try it faithfully for 2 mornings. Listen closely. Your own energy will show you the difference. If this resonated with you, please give this video a like. It truly helps our channel, Healthy Lifestyle, reach others who need it. Thank you for watching.